Welcome to Bizzymind tutorials and entertainment. Today we want to learn how to clean up background noise from audio recording in FS Studio. So let's launch FS Studio now. So you can see my FS Studio is opening on my screen. Now FS Studio has opened, and the thing we want to do now is to open our playlist. So you go to the icon at the top, click on it to open FS Studio playlist. So the playlist has opened now. The next thing we want to do, we want to drag the audio recording we want to remove background noise from. You drag it from your computer and drag it onto the playlist. So let's drag the file. Now you can see my audio recording. So at the left top corner, at the beginning of you'll see one waveform. Click on it, then click edit sample. What we are doing now, we are sending this audio recording into editing because that's where we want to be doing the cleanup. So now at the beginning of your audio recording, where there is no one talking, where there is only background noise, you should expand the waveform so that you see it clearly. So at the beginning here, you can see there is only background noise. You can see here. So what you do now is to, at the beginning, click and hold, then drag to select this area where no one is talking. So you select it, and the color you will see is onion pink, so you can see it. So go to your denoising tool icon, click on it. So click on it now, then click acquire noise profile. Then take this selection now, drag it to the end of your audio recording, to the waveform, drag it to the end. Then go back to your denoising tool and click accept now. Now you have reduced most of the noise. It's as easy as that. You can see the background noise, the line has become tiny because you've reduced most of the background noise. So you can play the audio to preview it. If you want to remove more background noise, you can follow the same process, but what you do first is to deselect the audio recording, deselect everything. So you click at the ending or at the beginning, click on it and drag to the ending or to the beginning to remove this onion pink color so that you can start again. So you remove it. Now we want to do it for the second time. So select at the beginning here, select this area where no one is talking again. We want to remove more background noise. So select this area where no one is talking. So select it. You can see we've selected it. So go to your denoising tool, click on it, then select acquire noise profile, click it, then take this selection now, spread it across the audio waveform to the ending, then go back to your denoising tool and click accept again. So we have reduced or we have removed more background noise from this audio. So this audio now, audio file should sound better, so you can preview it. So the last thing you want to do is to click the last icon here. So you click the last icon to send this audio recording to the playlist. So once you click it, you send it to the playlist. So let's click it now. So you can see it has appeared on the playlist. You can close this editing, close it now. So the file, we have two files on the playlist now. The one at the top is the original file with a lot of background noise. And the one at the background at the bottom is the one we have edited. So we don't need the one at the top because it's the original one with background noise. So the one we have edited, that's the one we're going to be using. So just put your mouse on the one at the top and right click. Just right click to disappear. So now this is the one we are using. So this is the file we need to use. You can play and listen to it, you'll see that. But the only thing is you have to be careful how many times you repeat that process in editing, because the more you repeat the process, the audio will begin to sound funny and you might not like it. So maybe you do it once or twice, then that's okay. So you can save your work and export it. So that's how you do it.